The moment of truth. I just hooked up the new antenna. I just stuck it up there. Oh, let's go the other way. Let's go back over here. That's channel 3. That was out. That other setup. Because it's a little. Oh my god, channel 3. That's the best it's ever come on. Ever. Look. Look at that. That thing works brilliantly. Oh my. And that's how I hooked it up. I found this splitter. And I just ran wires. And it works. It is so cool. I'm going to see if I get other channels. Let's see, we'll run a scan on it. Right now I get 3-4 channels, so let's see how they look. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Awesome. Okay, stay tuned. I'm going to do a scan and I'll be right back.